I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the BMW 3 Series F30, produced from 2011 to 2018, a car that has captivated drivers across the United Kingdom with its blend of sporty dynamics and executive comfort. This sixth-generation model, often praised for its precise handling and powerful engine options, remains a popular choice on British roads, from bustling London streets to winding country lanes. However, like many premium saloons, it comes with its share of reliability quirks that potential buyers should know about, especially if you are eyeing a used one for around £8,000 to £15,000. Let us start with the most common and frequently encountered problems, beginning with the timing chain guides, which affect many petrol models equipped with the N20 or N26 engines. These plastic guides can wear out prematurely, leading to rattling noises, potential engine damage, and costly repairs that might set you back over £1,000 if not addressed early. On the positive side, when functioning well, these engines deliver thrilling performance, with 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 7 seconds for some variants, making the F30 a joy for enthusiastic drivers. Next up is the electric water pump, another Achilles heel that plagues the cooling system in these BMWs, often failing around 80,000 kilometers and causing overheating issues that could strand you on the motorway. Replacement costs can hover around £500, but catching it during routine servicing at a trusted UK garage like those in the AA network can prevent bigger headaches. Despite this, the F30's advanced engineering shines in its efficient diesel options, such as the 320D, which sips about 5.5 litres per 100 kilometers on the highway, appealing to long-distance commuters. Moving on to oil filter housing gasket leaks, a frequent complaint among owners, where the gasket degrades over time, leading to oil seepage that can contaminate the drive belt and cause further complications. This issue is more prevalent in higher mileage examples, say over 100,000 kilometers, and repairs might cost £300 to £500, but it is often spotted during an MOT test. On the brighter side, the F30's interior boasts high-quality materials and intuitive iDrive infotainment, providing a luxurious cabin experience that rivals more expensive rivals like the Audi A4. Another top weakness involves the turbocharger in twin-power turbo engines, which can suffer from wastegate rattle or failure, resulting in loss of power and that dreaded check engine light illuminating on your dashboard. Expect to pay upwards of £800 for a fix, particularly if you are not handy with tools, though many UK specialists offer warranties on such work. That said, the car's balanced chassis and rear-wheel drive setup offer exceptional cornering prowess, making it a favourite for those who enjoy spirited drives through the Cotswolds. We cannot overlook Vanos solenoid problems, which affect variable valve timing and lead to rough idling, reduced fuel efficiency, and potential stalling at traffic lights in cities like Manchester. These solenoids might need replacing every 60,000 kilometers, costing about £200 each, but proactive maintenance can extend their life. Positively, the F30's safety features, including multiple airbags and stability control, earned it a 5-star Euro NCAP rating, giving peace of mind for family use. Suspension components, such as bushings and control arms, also wear out faster than expected on UK pothole-ridden roads, causing clunks and imprecise steering that detract from the otherwise engaging drive. Repairs can add up to £400, but upgrading to aftermarket parts from brands like Bilstein can enhance longevity and handling. Nevertheless, the model's optional adaptive dampers provide a comfortable ride for daily commutes, blending sportiness with refinement. Fuel injectors in direct injection engines tend to clog or fail, leading to misfires and poor performance, especially if you skimp on premium unleaded fuel at stations like BP or Shell. Cleaning or replacing them might run you £300 per injector, but using high-quality fuel can mitigate this. On the upside, the Estate Touring variant offers ample boot space of 480 litres, perfect for British families heading to the Lake District. Electrical gremlins, including faulty window regulators and central locking modules, are reported by owners, often triggered by the UK's damp weather and resulting in frustrating malfunctions. These fixes are relatively affordable at around £150, but they highlight the need for a thorough pre-purchase inspection. Still, the F30's sleek design and optional M Sport package turn heads, maintaining strong resale values in the used market. Battery drain issues from modules like the footwell module can leave you with a flat battery overnight, a nuisance in colder months when starting the car in frosty mornings becomes a chore. Replacing the module costs about £200, but software updates at a BMW dealer can often resolve it. Positively, the efficient automatic transmissions, like the 8-speed ZF, provide smooth shifts and contribute to fuel savings of up to 6 liters per 100 kilometers in urban driving. Brake wear is accelerated due to the car's performance-oriented setup, with pads and discs needing replacement every 30,000 kilometers, potentially costing £400 for a full set. This is exacerbated by enthusiastic driving on A roads, but it underscores the F30's stopping power. However, the optional xDrive all-wheel drive system enhances traction on slippery UK winters, making it safer for rural dwellers. Interior trim, such as door handles and dashboard plastics, can rattle or fade over time, diminishing the premium feel that BMW promises. Minor fixes like adhesive or replacements are inexpensive at under £100, but they point to build quality niggles. That being said, the supportive seats and climate control make long journeys comfortable, ideal for business travelers. Exhaust gas recirculation valve failures in diesels lead to increased emissions and potential MOT failures, with cleaning or replacement at £300 being common. This is more noticeable in stop-start city traffic, but adhering to service intervals helps. On the positive, diesel models achieve impressive range, covering over 1,000 kilometers on a full 52-liter tank. Finally, among lesser but notable issues are rear light cluster seals that leak water, causing condensation and electrical shorts in rainy British weather. A seal replacement is cheap at £50, but ignoring it risks bigger wiring problems. Overall, the F30's blend of technology and driving fun keeps it relevant, even years after production. In conclusion, the BMW 3 Series F30 suits enthusiastic drivers who prioritize handling and performance over bulletproof reliability, such as young professionals in urban areas or weekend racers who can afford regular maintenance. It might not be ideal for budget-conscious families seeking hassle-free motoring, but with proper care it can be a rewarding ownership experience. If you are in the market, aim for well-maintained examples with full service history from reputable UK dealers. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.